Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the linen stitch. I really enjoy the linen stitch for a few reasons. One is it looks just absolutely lovely. The second reason is it is not a yarn eater, so if you're not necessarily wanting to have to buy a ton of skeins of yarn to make something like a blanket, it would work great for that. The third reason is it works great for maybe those lower quality yarns where typically they would be a little bit more stiff and scratchy. With the linen stitch, the weave is more open, which makes it a little bit softer in the end. Here is my current linen stitch project. It's going to be a twin size blanket. You can see that it has a really nice diagonal stretch to it. It's probably one of my favorite stitches so far. To start this project, go ahead and make a slip knot. Place it over your hook, and then chain an even number of stitches. I'm going to go ahead and use 8 stitches today. Once you have the number of stitches you want for your project, do 3 additional stitches. And then for starting this project, you're actually going to do your first single crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. So here are our 3 additional chains, and then we are skipping this first chain here and putting a single crochet in that 5th one there. So there is our single crochet. Then you're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and put a single crochet in the stitch following. Go ahead and chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip a stitch, and single crochet in the last. So regardless of how many stitches you have across, you're just going to do that all the way across. Once you get to the end, you're going to chain 3 more, turn, and just like at the beginning, we are skipping this first stitch. And instead of working into the stitch here, we're going to work into the gap that is made from that chain 1 with the skipped stitch. So we're going to put a single crochet in there, chain 1, skip this single crochet stitch, and place a single crochet into the gap there, chain 1 gap. Go ahead and chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet in the chain 1 gap, chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet here. And that is the second row. So essentially you just keep on doing this however many stitches across you'd like to do and however many rows you'd like to do. It works great for making a fairly quick baby blanket and other large projects as well. And then once you're all the way done with your project, if I were finishing this project being this size, all I would do is trim my yarn approximately 6 to 8 inches out, pull it through, cut it, and weave the ends in just like I would with any other blanket project. So that is the linen stitch. If you have any questions about the linen stitch, feel free to comment below, as well as any requests you have for future tutorials for me to show. Thanks for watching.